Today, we are making sablee with jam in the shape of smiling face. First, start by rolling the dough between two parchment papers. Then, using a cookie cutter, cut dough discs. Place them on a baking pan covered with parchment paper. On half of the dough discs, cut out a shape of face by drawing the eyes, and mouth. Bake for about 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. Let the cookies cool down. Then, on a cookie without holes, place some jam in the center. Cover with the cookie in the shape of a face. Sprinkle with some icing sugar. Bon appétit!